This is the DBM-1 flat steel key duplicator. The DBM-1 is capable of cutting safety deposit box, letterbox, locker, and corrugated padlock keys. You can even stack two keys on top of each other and make two at a time. The DBM-1 is a compact duplicator featuring a 45 thousandths carbide cutter. The guide can be rotated to accommodate widths from 35 to 100 thousandths. The DBM-1 features a wire deburring brush. A nylon brush is also available. The carbide cutter is mounted on a pair of precision-sealed ball bearings. They require no care whatsoever and ensure long life. All aluminum and steel construction guarantee a machine that will last a lifetime and hold its accuracy even through the toughest of conditions. Let's cut a key on the DBM-1 to show its simplicity. First, insert a pattern key to the right side vise. Since all keys are gauged from the tip, we'll make sure the tip of the key is past the left side of the vise. Next, we'll lock the key guide in the rear position. We will use the guide and cutter to align the keys. So locking the guide makes it easier to do by eliminating the spring pressure. Insert a blank key in the left vise and tighten the T-nut. Now move the yoke forward and push the tip of the pattern key against the guide. Loosen the key blank in the left vise and slide the tip of the key against the cutter. Tighten the T-nut. The keys are now aligned. Move the yoke back and release the guide lock knob. It's time to cut the key. The DBM-1 uses a carbide cutter which makes straight-in cuts only. Never put side pressure on the cutter. Push the yoke forward and line up the throat cut with the guide. Push straight in to make the cut. The cut is slightly wider than the slaughter, so a second cut must be made. Move the yoke so that the guide is on the other side of the cut, and move the key into the cutter again. The first cut is now made. We will continue in this fashion until the entire key is complete. Once the key is complete, remove both keys. You can use the wire deburring brush on the left side of the machine to remove any burrs left on the key. The Framon DBM-1 is a compact, lightweight, flat steel key duplicator perfect for the shop or van. A 110-volt motor is standard on the DBM-1, but a 12-volt motor can be substituted for an upcharge. As with all Framon products, a 1-year parts, labor, and freight warranty is included with the DBM-1. In the first year, Framon will even cover the freight on any machine needing repair. If you're serious about cutting flat steel safety deposit box, locker, or letterbox keys, choose the Framon DBM-1 for years of trouble-free key cutting.